Hey everyone, I'm Dan Ryder, and well, this is me explaining to others how to create comics in the classroom. Those others happen to be an international group of educators learning how to use the act of creating superhero comics to better understand themselves, the world in which they live, and the challenges and struggles facing colleagues all over the world. At South by Southwest EDU 2025, my colleague Jackie Gardy and I would really love to bring our work that we scaled out to 300 educators everywhere to the 75 or so that we can fit into a room at South by Southwest EDU. So, if you believe, like we do, that creating comics is a pathway to deeper understanding, that the idea of creating an alter ego to take the place of your own self so that you can let some of your biases go, so that you can give yourself permission to better understand and better engage with people around you, or to just make everything more fun. Well, if you believe that that has value, then help us bring comics and critical creativity to South by Southwest EDU 2025.